Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about kinds of sentences. In our previous lecture we had learned about sentences, what a sentence was. We understood that it should give you a complete thought or meaning, and it has a combination of subject and verb. Subject and verb should always be there while you are making a sentence or while you are forming a sentence, and also it should have a statement, question, command or exclamation. Thus, we discussed about the pattern of sentences. Now, moving on to kind of sentences, as you can see on the board, I have written 4 kinds of sentences over here. The first one is declarative, that tells you information. We'll see the examples later. Let me introduce all these kinds first. The second one is interrogative, that asks you a question, right? WH questions, like for example, what, where, whom, when. Okay. Third, we have imperative sentences that expresses command or asks for a request. We'll see the example later on. In the last one, we have as exclamatory, that has strong emotions or feelings, and that ends with an exclamation mark. Now, let me clear the board and give you some examples of declarative sentences. Like for example, the boy goes to school daily. Goes to school daily. See, it is giving you a complete thought. Also, it has the full meaning. It's telling you some information that the boy is going to school daily. Also, declarative sentence can have facts. That means, for example, the earth is round. The earth is round. So this is a fact. Is round, right? So we are clear with declarative sentences. Let us move on to the next one that I said as interrogative sentences. I told you interrogative sentences are those sentences that ask a question. Sentences that ask a question. Like for example, let me give you very simple examples. Where are you? Why did she leave early? Leave early. Or we could also say, did she ask me before leaving? See, did can also be here. Before leaving. Or do we have enough water bottles in our bags? So you are now all clear with what is an interrogative sentence. Let me move on to the next one, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, as I told you, that expresses a command or asks for a request. Like for example, please shut the door. Knock the door while you come when you enter inside. Please knock on the door when you enter inside. Place the books on the drawer. So these are all imperative sentences. Sorry, accidentally I have this black marker in my hands. I had to write it with a green one. Anyway, so imperative sentence are those that expresses a command. Like for example, fetch me a glass of water. Fetch me a glass of water. Or I could say, place the markers in the drawer. Kindly knock before entering inside. Right? So this is a command or a request that you are giving to another person. The last one which I mentioned earlier was exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences usually they end with an exclamation mark, right? Exclamatory sentences. Sorry if my writing is poor. I have to say it in each and every of my video, in every video of mine. Anyway, exclamatory sentences are those sentences that expresses strong emotions or feelings, and they end with exclamation mark, as I told you before, and they can either be surprised, angry, sad statements. Okay, so they are all exclamatory sentences. Like for example, I have this weather that is very beautiful today, so I can say, what a lovely weather. Or you could say, what a beautiful weather. Right? Or, ouch, you hit me hard. Or, alas, that poor man died of hunger. So these are all exclamatory sentences. Okay, so now you are all clear with the kinds of sentences I've already discussed. Now let's move on to the structure of sentences that I'll be covering in my next video. I hope you understand. Thanks a lot for your time. If you haven't understood anything, please leave your comments in the section below so that I may reply you later on. Thank you again. Tata.